Yep.
Now push up really hard. Can I do something? After me. Okay. Take your video. Oh, that. Pretty well this one. Last time, put it back. She did that a while ago, and she came up to bam right into the head a while ago. I like that. Oh, this one. I don't really like that one. Do you want me to help you?
She can do it. Abby, on May 17.
One day before her May birthday. 17th. Her birthday is tomorrow. And so is...
On the side of her, say it. Stand on the side and help her. There you go.
It's not gonna work. Are you stepping? You're stepping? Yes, stepping. Here we go. Stop it, Ziggy! Okay, so you want me to help. Hannah's gonna help me help you. Here, Ab. I don't need help. Ab, jump and I'll help you flip. I want to jump. We all want to do something. You did it. Hello. Hi, not little ham.